All right, we've gone ahead and we've issued those weather impact alert days for Monday, Tuesday, and the first half of Wednesday. Cold temperatures and snow likely for not only central Texas, but the Brazos Valley. In fact, wind chills could be as low as 5 degrees and a few inches of snow and sleet expected by Tuesday morning. Wind chills tonight. It's going to be cold out there. This blue shaded area, this light blue shaded area, all of central Texas, the Brazos Valley. This is a cold weather advisory, so those wind chills could fall as low as 5 degrees by your Sunday morning. You want to make sure that you're bundled up as you head outside tomorrow morning to the morning service, to grab a cup of coffee, or you're taking the dog on a walk. It is going to be cold. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s. With those stiff northerly winds, say 15 to 25 miles per hour, really dropping those wind chills. And notice this darker blue shaded area. This is a winter storm watch for Brazos, Burleson, and Madison counties. Late Monday into Tuesday, this is where accumulations are likely, and I'm also expecting accumulations along the I-35 corridor. All of central Texas has a chance to see accumulations, which we'll talk about here later. No winter storm watch, but that could change moving into tomorrow, so you want to make sure that you check back in. We'll continue to have those latest updates. Overnight lows. It's going to be cold. Normally, we're at 36. It's going to be in the low to mid 20s pretty much area wide, so a really cold start to our Sunday morning. And when you factor in those winds, it's going to be 5 to 10 degrees out there as that feels like temperature, and that's what's most important as you're stepping outside. So you want to make sure you're bundled up. And with temperatures this cold as well, if you have any exposed pipes or faucets outside, you want to make sure that you wrap them because this is going to seem really balmy compared to what we see next week. So temperatures are only going to get colder. These are the highs tomorrow. It looks like low temperatures. This is where we should be for lows, but highs are going to stay generally in the 30s west of I-35, and as you work your way north toward Hillsboro and Corsicana, low 40s if you're lucky for the Brazos Valley. So Hearn, Bryan, and College Station maybe get up to 42, 43 degrees for your afternoon hours on Saturday. A system is going to dive out of the plains moving into Monday. So we're going to fast forward then. That's going to start to create lift over Oklahoma. Snow breaks out from Oklahoma City to the north of Amarillo. It's going to help spin up a coastal low off the coast of Texas. So notice the coastal bend as you work your way toward Corpus Christi, Brownsville. We start to see that low develop. That's going to spread moisture north into central Texas by the evening hours. Monday, 8 p.m. we start to see a little bit of a rain snow sleet mixture possibly for areas to the south, really from Georgetown south. This is 8 p.m. on Monday, give or take a couple hours. The exact time is to be tuned out over the next couple of days. So Monday 10 p.m. that moisture continues to spread north, likely starting out as a little bit of snow and sleet, changing over to all snow for pretty much all of central Texas. And it's going to be light, but some pockets of moderate snow are possible, especially from the line to Georgetown, Temple, Marlin, point south and east toward Hearn, Cameron, Bryan, and College Station. Madisonville, that's where some of the pockets of maybe moderate snow possible into Tuesday morning. It looks like a little wave of precipitation of snow moves out of the Dallas area toward Waco, Gatesville, Hamilton by 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. So that morning commute is likely going to be pretty snowy across all of central Texas and the Brazos Valley. That continues into the late morning hours, but by lunchtime we start to see that move out and we dry out by the afternoon hours. 1 to 2 inches possible Marlin, Cameron, Temple, heaviest snow Bryan, College Station, Madisonville, 2 to 3 inches, up to an inch possible Waco, Meridian. We'll continue to find too that the overnight lows are going to get really cold with this as well, and those highs stay chilly as well. Struggle to get to freezing Tuesday, but we're back into the 40s Wednesday, and by Saturday we're up to 60 degrees.